Okay, we're going to take a look at Wyllington's shirt and collar stay. First, we'll go ahead and open up the box. You can see the different size collar stays they have, depending on the size collar you have. And the instructions, the front will just give you a brief description on how to install your collar stays. Same with the back, just gives you instructions on how to install your shirt stays. The type of shirt I have, I'm going to need the medium size collar stay. So to put them in, it's actually really simple. You'll just go ahead and pull back the collar and just put it right in on the side. Now, you can already see an immediate difference. It's a lot firmer, it looks nicer. You'll do the same exact thing for the other side. Now, that was easy. The shirt stays are just as easy. All you have to do is just go ahead and take the shirt stays off the piece of cardboard here. And what's really great about them is the adjustable strap just kind of doesn't have any wiggle room. So when you're on the go or if you're late for something, they don't budge, they don't pull off. You can just wear them all day without really adjusting them any longer. And then you can just go ahead and take them off when you get home. Now to put them on, you'll just need to put the single clamp on your sock. And then the other two, you'll put one in the back front. So you just go ahead and clip it right to the front and then clip the other one to the back side of the shirt. And then once it goes on your leg, you'll just go ahead and take a look at the strap, that adjustable strap I mentioned, and then just tighten it as needed. And then you're good to go, and that's it. So that's a demonstration of the collar stay and the shirt stay.